Welcome to Learning Journey, presented by Nadia Salim. This is the English lesson, and the topic is beginning and ending sound of the picture. By the end of the lesson, children will be able to recognize beginning sound in words, to recognize ending sound in words. Let's move on to the beginning sound. Wow! What's the lovely picture? Can you identify the picture, please? Yes, you are right. This is the star. Tell me the beginning sound of the star. Tss, 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 tss. Star. Tss, tss, star. Can you repeat the sound, please? Great job! Let's move on to the next picture. Oh, that's so lovely green animal. Can you identify the animal name, please? Great job! It's a frog. What's the beginning sound of frog? Yes, it's frog. Frog. Can you repeat the sound, please? Good job. Let's move on to the next picture. Wow, what's this? Can you identify the picture, please? Yes, you're right. It's a drum. What is the beginning sound of drum? D. 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 Drum. D. D. Drum. Can you repeat the sound, please? Good job. Let's move on to the next picture. Oh, that's yummy, yummy thing. Can you identify? Yes, you are right. It's a lolly. But what is the beginning sound of lolly? L. 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 Lolly. L. L. Lolly. Say the sound again. Amazing job. Let's move on to the next picture. What's this? Let's identify. Yes, you are right. It's a crab. What's the beginning sound of crab? K. 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 Crab. K. K. Crab. Can you repeat the sound, please? Great job! Let's move on to the ending sound. What's this picture? Can you identify, please? Yes, it's a snail. But what is the ending sound of snail? Snail. Snail. Can you repeat the ending sound? Great. Let's move on to the next picture. That's a yummy, yummy thing. Can you identify the picture? Yes, it's a lemon. What is the ending sound of the picture? Lemon. Lemon. Can you repeat the sound, please? Great job. Let's move on to the next picture. Wow! What's that lovely picture name? Can you identify, please? Yes, it's a car. Car. What is the ending sound? Er. 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 Car. Car. Can you repeat the ending sound? Great job. Let's move on to the next picture. Can you identify the picture, please? Great. It's a lamp. What is the ending sound? P. 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 Lamp. Lamp. Can you repeat the sound? Great! Let's move on to the next picture. Oh, please identify the picture. Great! It's a jug. What is the ending sound of the picture? G. 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 Jug. Jug. Let's repeat the ending sound. Great job. Let's practice now. Identify the beginning sound. Let's identify the first picture and tell the beginning sound. Yes, it's a rabbit. Can you identify the beginning sound? Great job. It's rabbit, rabbit. Let's identify the second picture. Great! It's a guitar. What is the beginning sound of guitar? Great job! G. G. Guitar. G. Guitar. Let's move on to the next picture. Identify the ending sound. Can you identify the first picture? Yes, you are right. It's an elephant. What is the ending sound of the elephant? Great job! T. T. Elephant. Elephant. Let's identify the second picture. Great! It's a flower. Can you identify the ending sound of flower? Yes, you're right. Flower. Flower. Now, great work. You all have done a great job. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.